Hi guys, Andy here. One of the things I get asked quite often is, oh, what wallpaper is that? This particular one is Minima Pro Live Wallpaper. So it is a Pro app, it's 77p, so it's next to nothing. But I think does some quite cool effects. You see that how I move it around, and if I slide back and forth, it's almost like a 3D effect on my wallpaper. I think it's pretty cool. It's quite subtle, and the best thing is sort of the amount of control that you can have over how it looks. So I mean, it's got 30. Well, let's go into the app itself, I suppose. So wallpapers, live wallpapers, Minima Pro. So there's the one that I'm using now. It's got 90 handcrafted themes. Reading off the Play Store here. Change colours to suit your taste. Edit the built-in themes to create your own. Let the randomizer bring your new theme once a day or even once a minute. Provides artwork to Muizy Live Wallpaper Gallery. Share your custom creations with other users online. Join the Minima Google Plus community for new themes every day. So that's my my advertiser voice. So we're going to the settings. So the best place here is just Theme Manager. Current one, and then basically see all the other options. So cloudy, for example, let's go to cloudy. That's pretty cool. But if we go into settings, it's where's the because I've made it, well, let's reset to defaults. Yeah. Oh, whole flame. Oh, I didn't mean to set it as well. Let's have a look at that one. So there's a sun in the sky that wobbles about the place with the landscape. That's kind of cool, isn't it? Let's go back to live wallpapers and Minima settings. So what I was trying to find, where is it? There's a bit where I can change. Display and scroll. I think that's it. Right. So tweak brightness and tweak that. So not so much on this one, but quite often I want to darken things. I prefer a darker. So you see now it's kind of a dusk rather than a sun. Let's go to Theme Manager. So I think Collapse. Look, I think Collapse was the one I had before, but I made it darker. Let's look then at Crescent. So again, we go to Crescent, and again it's still set as quite dark. So we go into Settings, Display and Scroll. And again, I'm going to ramp it on up. And let's regrade up a little. How does that look? Oh, that's a bit weird looking, isn't it? Back into that. Let's change the saturation and swing it back the other way. It's gone bright and pink. So I guess that is the brightness though, rather than... Yeah, there we go. So even just on the sort of the preset themes, you can make quite a lot of changes. Some are quite busy. That's quite a busy looking one. Let's just put things back to normal. So that's quite a busy home screen, but maybe you like that. Let's just see what happens if we make that dark. Very dark. It's quite different, isn't it? So now I'm probably not the best person to show you, but you can. Oh, that's too dark, isn't it? In fact, I couldn't even tell it was. I was waiting for it to load or something. Go back to normal. Display quality, we get that in here as well. Look, I'm fine with that. Now somewhere, theme editor. Now I'm not going to lie, this is beyond my expertise. But you can change basically what element you're looking at, and you can, well, look at everything you can do. It's very complex. But if you're the artistic type, it's probably, I'm sure it's ideal for you. Set as wallpaper, and there we go. So I think that's pretty cool. And like it said, you can have it change randomly. Can we go switch back into? Yeah, not the editor, no, necessarily, no. Wallpaper. So you can have it change at regular intervals. I forget where that bit is, if I'm honest. Oh, make wallpaper as well. So it's loading in so it's, you see that's kind of a square now and it's not moving. So I can save that to a file, you know, I'll save it to my gallery, so I can then set that as my wallpaper on my lock screen, so that the lock screen matches, because at the minute it'll still be the old blue one. See, but that doesn't move, because that was the saved version of the moving one. So that's quite cool. But all round, I think Minima Pro Live Wallpaper is a very good value for 77p. So there you go. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. My name's Andy. I'll catch you all again soon.